please. It's going to stress me out. Is that good enough? Yes. Ready? See if that works. Set. Woo! Go, go, go! Oh my god! That was so painful!
Sounded painful.
That's the scariest fuck. I thought you were going to swing back. Oh! Okay, are you going to come down? You want to go, Joe? You want to go again?
I guess.
Yeah.
What?
Don't do that.
John.
Here.
Alright,
Here.
is there roots down there?
Come here.
You're not jumping.
Alright, give me
This is gonna end badly. I can just see it.
Wrestling back.
That's what I was doing. Here, I was trying to get Rebecca. Shit. One more time.
Grab
I
it in
actually
your hands,
touched the
Dad.
bottom when I did that one.
Man.
One more time didn't work. There you go.
I know where to aim. That's
Yeah, you
my...
do.
Actually,
I know how to aim.
it's the life jacket that's making me uncomfortable. I don't like it.
You need a life jacket. You can't touch.
I know that's the thing.
You're saying.
Well, I'm out here,
Alright,
so
so
I
we're
can go
done.
and grab him.
Well, I need
Joe.
some assistance with this. Are you doing it or not?
If Nikki's out there to grab me, I'll do it.
Okay. I'll be out here.
Wait, no.
You guys can go ahead and go up and get on.
Okay,
Okay, throw me a life jacket. I'll be out here.
Okay.
Who's swinging again?
You should just stand there with it.
Well, Adam's going first.
See, I can swim. I can swim. I can swim back, but I just don't want to. I don't like swimming.
That's fine. I'm out here.
As Adam almost falls over.
Adam, are you going?
Yeah, I just had to get my shoe on.
Okay.
He almost fell on his face. That looked comfortable.
Just swing off from there. You don't need to stand up there to swing.
Yeah, you really don't.
Well, he has to be able to reach the rope.
I'd lean back against that tree and swing off of it.
He has to be able to reach the rope.
He can't reach the bottom knot from the back of that tree. From
The-
front of that tree.
No, he can't.
Not really. That rope's really short.
Actually, you're awesome.